Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Liquid IV Sugarfree is probably one of the most talked about hydration multipliers on the market right now, and for good reason, as it offers a convenient and effective way to replenish electrolytes and combat dehydration without the added sugar, making it a popular choice for athletes, busy professionals, and anyone looking to maintain optimal hydration levels throughout the day, especially when you're on the go or feeling under the weather and need a quick boost to feel your best. Number 5. Juicy Splash Sugar-Free Electrolytes Powder. Introducing Juicy Splash, your new go-to for effortless hydration. Enjoy the benefits of essential electrolytes without any added sugar. Experience the refreshing taste of natural flavors derived from real ingredients. It's the perfect way to recharge your body daily. Achieve optimal balance with our unique blend of 5 electrolytes. It's designed to replenish what your body needs. Sourced from raw sea salt, these packets provide pure hydration. Feel revitalized with every sip. Perfect for your lifestyle, it's gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO. Enjoy a healthy boost that fits your keto diet too. Our convenient packets make daily replenishment simple. Just mix and drink for an instant energy and hydration boost. What we like? This option uses natural flavors and raw sea salt for a clean taste. It's also vegan and non-GMO. If you prioritize natural ingredients and a clean label, this is a great choice for daily hydration. What people say. Great for hydration, especially after exercise. Helps replenish electrolytes quickly and effectively. Convenient single-serving packets for on-the-go use. Number 4. HydroMATE Electrolytes Powder Drink Mix Packets, 30 count. Introducing HydroMATE, your ultimate hydration solution. These powder mix packets are designed for rapid recovery and a burst of energy. Enjoy great taste without the sugar overload. Our formula is low in sugar, making it a healthier choice for your active lifestyle. Need an extra kick? These packets contain caffeine to help you power through your day. It's the perfect pick-me-up when you need it most. Support your immune system with added vitamin C. It's a great way to stay healthy while staying hydrated and energized. These make fantastic party favors and are ideal for rapid recovery after workouts or long nights. Keep everyone refreshed and revitalized. Get a variety of flavors in one convenient pack of 30. Experience different tastes and find your favorite way to stay hydrated. What we like? This mix offers a caffeine boost for energy and aids in rapid recovery. The variety pack is perfect for those who enjoy trying different flavors. If you need an extra kick to power through workouts or a quick pick-me-up, this is the one for you. What people say. Great taste and it works fast to rehydrate. I love that it has electrolytes and is sugar-free. Number 3. Force Factor Liquid Labs Electrolytes Powder Packets. Experience superior hydration with our advanced electrolyte powder. It's designed to replenish your body's essential minerals and vitamins. Packed with 5 essential electrolytes, this formula helps restore balance and supports optimal bodily functions. Stay energized and refreshed throughout your day. Enjoy the crisp and invigorating taste of lemon lime. It makes creating electrolyte-infused water a delicious and simple part of your routine. Beyond electrolytes, it delivers vital vitamins and minerals to support your overall well-being. Enhance your daily intake with this convenient supplement. Our portable stick packs are perfect for on-the-go hydration. Just mix with water anytime, anywhere, to get the replenishment you need. It also provides antioxidants to help protect your body. Support your health and recovery with this comprehensive hydration solution. What we like? It provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants alongside electrolytes. The refreshing lemon-lime flavor is a crowd pleaser. If you're looking for a comprehensive hydration solution that also supports overall wellness, consider this option. What people say. Great for hydration and electrolytes. Helps replenish fluids quickly after exercise. Convenient and easy to use on the go. Number 2. Ultima Replenisher Daily Electrolyte Powder. Meet your new go-to for daily hydration. This electrolyte powder is designed to replenish your body with essential minerals. It contains a blend of 6 key electrolytes and minerals to help you feel your best. Stay refreshed and revitalized throughout the day. Enjoy pure hydration without the sugar. This drink mix is completely sugar-free, making it a guilt-free choice. Crafted with plant-based ingredients, it's perfect for your lifestyle. It's also keto-friendly, fitting seamlessly into your diet. Each pack is conveniently portioned for on-the-go use. Simply mix with water for instant refreshment wherever you are. Experience the original variety pack, offering a delightful taste. It's the perfect way to discover your favorite flavor. What we like. This choice is completely zero sugar and plant-based, featuring 6 key electrolytes. It's also keto-friendly. If you're following a keto diet or prefer plant-derived ingredients for your hydration, this is an excellent fit. What people say. Great for hydration and electrolytes, especially after exercise. Helps replenish fluids and electrolytes quickly, tastes good. Convenient single-serving packets, easy to mix and carry. Number 1. Ultima Replenisher Daily Electrolyte Powder Drink Mix. Introducing a revolutionary way to stay hydrated. This powder mix offers a delicious, sugar-free solution for your daily needs. Packed with essential electrolytes and trace minerals, it replenishes what your body needs. Feel the difference with every sip. Enjoy the crisp, refreshing taste of lemonade. It's a delightful way to support your well-being throughout the day. Perfect for your lifestyle, it's both keto-friendly and vegan. Enjoy guilt-free hydration that aligns with your dietary choices. Made with non-GMO ingredients, you can trust its quality. Each container provides 90 servings for long-lasting hydration. Make it your go-to for daily replenishment. It's the simple, effective way to support your active life and overall health. What we like. This offers a large quantity with 90 servings, including trace minerals. The classic lemonade flavor is widely appealing. If you're looking for a cost-effective, long-lasting hydration solution with a familiar taste, this bulk option is ideal. What people say. Great for hydration and electrolytes. Helps replenish fluids and electrolytes lost through sweat. Convenient and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.